And for your valuable information, this particular method also effectively works on iPhones. Hello my dear friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn about some very important and secret settings that will allow you to completely prevent the YouTube application from consuming your precious internet data quickly and efficiently. By carefully enabling these settings, you will be able to make your internet package last for a much longer period of time. So after successfully opening the YouTube application, you should then proceed directly to this place. Tap on it with your finger and then this interface will appear. As you can clearly see, we will proceed directly to this prominent icon located right here at the very top of the screen. We will then gently tap on it with our finger, and subsequently, we will carefully select this particular option, which is distinctly labeled as General Settings. After making that selection, we will then proceed to tap on it once more to confirm our choice and access the settings. After that, this interface will appear for you right away, as you can see. Simply tap on this particular option, which is clearly labeled Playback and Feeds, or first, you will need to carefully select the very last available option, which is clearly labeled as Off. Once you have successfully made that selection, you should then proceed to go back to the previous screen. After returning, take a moment to scroll down just a little bit on the page. As you scroll, actively look for the specific option that is distinctly labeled Preferred Video Quality Settings. Once you have located this particular option, gently tap on it to proceed. Following this, your next step is to choose the option that is clearly and precisely labeled Data Saver. Please carefully check it from this particular place right here. After that, we will take a deliberate step back. Then we will gently scroll down a little bit further and carefully look for the specific option that is clearly labeled Data Saver. We will then proceed to click on it, and subsequently in this particular section, which is distinctly labeled Data Saver Mode, we will make sure to enable this very important option. If you don't mind, please. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. So let's proceed directly to the very last and final option, which is entirely optional for your consideration. You can conveniently click within this designated area and then carefully make your selection. For example, you might choose a specific value like 100 MB and then with a simple action, press the OK button to confirm your choice. So when you consume 100 MB, you will receive a notification telling you that you have used 100 MB and 1000 MB equals 1 GB, just like this as you can see. And here you can readily choose either megabytes or gigabytes as you can clearly see. And finally, after making your selection, you simply press the OK button. And as I told you previously, this particular setting is entirely optional for your personal preferences. For instance, I personally will choose to disable it because I consistently and reliably utilize a Wi-Fi connection. Now let us proceed onward to the very final setting and then gracefully exit from this specific configuration area. The ultimate and conclusive option available is the careful adjustment of the overall video quality, allowing for precise control over its visual fidelity. You click in this area, for example, if you are watching a video on YouTube and your primary intention is simply to listen to the music or the audio content, then there is absolutely no compelling reason to utilize a very high video quality setting. This is quite evident and immediately noticeable as the visual fidelity becomes largely irrelevant when the auditory experience is the main focus. We will now click on the advanced option from this particular location and then proceed to carefully select the very last available option, which is specifically 144, as you can clearly see displayed. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this list. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly useful YouTube tutorials. You'll definitely find many important and beneficial tutorials there that you'll truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.